Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, it's going to be a little different. I'm going to do the Sparkle & Co. Mini Holiday Iridescent Collection review. And I'm also going to unbox it with you and talk about all of their sales this coming weekend. But anyway, this is the Iridescent Dip Powder Collection. It will be on sale during Black Friday, and Black Friday starts November 28th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it ends December 3rd at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And don't worry, these are not going to be in limited quantities, so if you don't jump on right away, you won't miss out. Get them obviously during the sale, but you won't miss out if you aren't on there first thing at 6 p.m. But anyway, there is, for this collection, 6 mini dips, and this 6-piece collection is going to cost $35, and the swatches are not included. They will be separate, but here is the 6 dip collection, and it's $35, or they'll have 6 gels for $35, so you can get it in dip or gels. They're slightly different powders, but yeah, so they won't be the exact same, but pretty close. But here's these amazing iridescent holiday colors. The names are great. The colors are beautiful. Like, the swatches don't do them justice. Like, you have to see them in person, but they are so worth it. They're amazing. So this first one is this beautiful green, and it almost has like a kind of like a blue, almost blue iridescent glitter like sheen to it. I don't really know how to explain it. It's like a shimmer. It's not a super like thick glitter or anything, but yeah, green with like green and a little bit of iridescent blue shimmer to it. Really, really pretty, like really pretty green. And next one, excuse me, the next color is kind of a hard one to see. It almost has like a pink sheen to it, like a very, very, very light pink iridescent sheen. And then it just, I don't know, it's this really faint, pretty sparkle. You can see a little bit of the pink in it. But it's beautiful, and it's like a perfect wintry color. And it's called Elsa's Castle. It's, I don't know, you can see it in the jar. It's just a really, really, really pretty, light, pretty color. And it's not a super thick or dense glitter either. None of these are really like thick or dense, but there in the lid you can kind of see it has like a purplish pink sheen to it. Really pretty wintry glitter. Okay, and for our next color is this really pretty red, and it has like a gold glitter in it. Like a gold iridescent glitter. Super pretty red. Like the same red as the bag it comes in. Like perfect Christmas red. And it's called Santa Baby. And it's, I don't know, it's the perfect holiday red. It has these, almost reminds me of like a pretty shiny red ornament with a nice little gold glitter in it. I don't know, it's just a really good holiday red. And remember, these colors are the Dip Powder Holiday Iridescent Collection. The 6 of them come in the set, and then there'll also be 6 8-milliliter gels, and they're each $35 a set. And then this one might be my favorite out of the set. It's like a black, and it has red and green and a tiny bit of like blue, really, really, really extremely ultra fine glitter in it. And it's pretty, it's not a very dense powder either, but it's like, it's absolutely perfect. It's like, you see a lot of like black ones that have like colored glitter. Okay, but this one, I don't know, it's more than that. It's hard to explain, but it's a really, really nice powder, and it doesn't look like there's much clear in there at all. So that's kind of a plus too, that there's not much clear in there. Just really pretty glitter. You can kind of see the little bit of other colors, but the prominent glitter is red and green. So it's a great Christmas one, and it gives you something a little bit different, you know, throwing that black in there. Really pretty color. And this one is called Hana Queen, and it's beautiful. And as soon as I saw it, I think of like snow and winter. And this one has some chunky glitter in it. So if you need to see how to apply chunky glitters, I have a video of that on here as well. Or on the Sparkle & Co. Facebook page, there is a video of Christy, the owner, applying chunky glitters, like her tips to do it as well. But here you go. It has like almost like a holographic clear powder. So really fine hollow clear powder with like the chunkier blue glitter in it. Really, really pretty. Really wintry. Great holiday color. And last but not least, this one might be my favorite. Either this one or the black one. I really love the black. So we'll say this is my second favorite. It's called Christmas Queen, and it has that same clear, like almost clear hollow base. And then it has the beautiful red and green, like chunky glitters in it. Really great holiday color. You could wear it with pretty much anything. Like I would pair it with maybe a solid or a shimmery red or green, or one of the red and greens from the same collection. But I will show you what it looks like in the jar. It's just a really, really great Christmas color. And as you can see, it's like a clear, holographic type base. And then it has your chunkier, like fine and then chunky red and green glitters in it. Really sparkly, really, really sparkly under a light. Really good, like accent color, or even a full mani of it if you feel a little extra would be awesome. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's the Iridescent Dip Collection from Sparkle & Co. And all of them are great. Mind you, if you order the set, the swatches are sold separately. They are not included. And swatches are $1 a piece a swatch. So if you want these swatches with your collection, you would just add the swatches to your cart and type in, you know, Holiday Dip Iridescent Collection swatches or whatnot, and then you can get those as well. And I just wanted to clear something up with everybody. I know that people are hearing different things, but Headquarters and Sparkle & Co. have confirmed that subscription bag members do get 40% off. Not 36% off. It will be a total of 40% off on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And speaking of that, I want to show you the November subscription colors, dip colors. From Sparkle & Co. They are amazing, and they're very holiday. They're perfect, like more on the traditional side. And I'm going to show you what they look like in the jars and then with the swatches. This red is beautiful, and it's called On Poinsettia, and it's almost like a red jelly, like a true Christmas red jelly dip. And the reason I'm showing you the subscription ones is because if you subscribe to a subscription bag before December 1st, you will get to use an extra 20% off on top of the 20% off sale site-wide for Black Friday. So you'll get 40% off of the website. So I would recommend subscribing to a subscription bag before December 1st. And you can also type in the name of somebody that inspires you in the notes at checkout. Yes, you can use me if you want, or anybody that inspires you, and you'll get an $18 credit as well. But then this was the second color, and it's called Don't Opal Till Christmas, and it's that same beautiful Christmassy like jelly red, but then it has these really pretty like flakes in it. As you can see, they're kind of like goldish, orangish, reddish, like foil flakes or flexi flakes, and they're really pretty. Those two colors go perfect together. And the reason I'm showing you the bag is because these are also holiday colors. And if you're a subscription member, you have access to purchase these colors as well. So I would recommend subscribing, because this is what you're missing out on, not being a subscription member. Anyway, this one is called I'm Feeling Pine, and people are wondering if their color's correct because it's definitely very, very dark, but it's like a dark bluish teal, and in some light, the shine or the like iridescent sheen in it is like a dark green. Sometimes it looks more blue, sometimes it looks more teal, sometimes without a light it could look black, but it's definitely like a deep bluish greenish teal jar of perfection. Like, it's absolutely beautiful, and you can chrome it because it is shimmery. You can use it to chrome. Very pretty color. And then my next one is Holly Jolly Opal, and this is a really cool like green opal dip. So it's a green base, but with all these flakes in it, it just gives it that, like, I don't know, that pop, like something extra. It's really, really pretty color. As you can see, it's almost like a deeper, kind of like a foresty green, but I don't know how to explain it. You can see how pretty it is. It's so pretty. It's almost like a dragon scales or something. I don't know. It's really, really pretty. The opal flakes in it are awesome. The same type of flakes, but different color. That's in that red one I showed you. That Don't Opal Until Christmas. And this one, SB84 Slay What, it's like a grayish blue, a very light grayish blue, really pretty. In the video, it pulls more gray, but in person, depending on the light, it pulls a little more blue or a little more gray. It's a really, really pretty color. Really neutral, would be really pretty to use for like a winter style manicure. Just a great holiday color. And then this last one is an I Want It All subscription color. These are exclusive to the I Want It All subscription bags. And this one's called Icicle Opal. And if you want access to this color, you definitely can have access to it, but you would need to subscribe to a bag that is $64.99 or higher. Those are the I Want It All bags. So you'll have access to all past I Want It All subscription colors. But this color right here, it has those opal flakes in it of different colors, and then it has almost like holographic flakes or holographic like in the clear powder. It's amazing, and it might be one of my favorite I Want It All colors so far. Absolutely beautiful. It reminds me also of like holiday or winter or like kind of Christmas lights. I don't know. It's a really, really great color. But remember, if you are a subscription member, or if you're not, sign up by December 1st through their website, and you will get your own 20% off code that you can apply to the 20% off site wide during their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. So you can get 40% off in total. And to get 20% off site wide, use code HOLIDAYMAGIC20 and you'll get that 20% off. And that is for everybody. But here's a description of all the sales, and you could pause it to write them down, allow 3 weeks processing. And also, if you reach 75 after discounts and credit, you'll receive a free rose gold brush set. So that's awesome. There will also be a $54 dip powder gift set as well that I'll link in the description. But that's all, so please like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and thank you. Deuces and smooches.